How to add your current city on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your current city on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click this one, profile information, and go down, click add current city, and here just search for your current city and select it and click save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.